I'm Dr. Mahnaz Fazal, gynecologist with more than 20 years of experience in my field. I did membership and fellowship from my country, Pakistan, and currently I'm working at Medcare Medical Center, Barsha. So over the years, I have noticed a remarkable increase in polycystic ovarian syndrome, or PCOS as we say it. It starts with amenorrhea or no periods or irregular periods, weight gain, acne or hirsutism, that is finding of thick hair on face and other parts of the body. It is an outcome of unwise choices of modern day lifestyle, that is sedentary lifestyle, and eating improper food, or shall I say junk food. So the best thing is, whenever you notice that you are not having your periods, or there's some irregularity, or there is acne that is having on your face, or hirsutism, that is thick hair on your body, please consult a gynecologist to protect yourself from further complications.